Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rahmi Nissa Fajari. I study at University of Maritime Raja Ali Haji. Today's video, I want to explain about cause-effect paragraph, comparing and contrasting paragraph, and the last one is giving opinion paragraph. The first one is cause-effect paragraph. Cause-effect paragraph is a method or paragraph in which writer analyzing the reason for and or the consequences of an action, event, or decision. What things happen is cause and what happens is an effect. Now is the example of cause-effect paragraph. The topic sentence of this paragraph is the high level of divorce have had many effects on children, women, and men. The controlling idea is effects on children, women, and men. The first supporting sentence is the biggest effects is in children. First supporting detail is children of divorced parents often have social or emotional problems. The second supporting detail is, for instance, they may face difficulties due to the lack of support or care at home. And the last supporting detail is, they may even have problems with their friends at school. The second supporting sentence is, secondly, women are also affected. The first supporting detail is, as a result of divorce, women may feel insecure and helpless. The second supporting detail is, thus they suffer from depression. The third supporting sentence is, thirdly, men, of course, are also affected. The first supporting detail is, as a consequence of divorce, they may lose social interaction with their friends. The second supporting detail is, they also suffer from financial problem as a result of the divorce. And the last supporting detail is, in addition, they may have problems dealing with children. And lastly, the concluding sentence is, in conclusion, divorce is a serious issue with major effects for children, women, and men, and the society. The second one is comparing and contrasting paragraph. When you compare two things, you show how they similar. When you contrast two things, you show how they different. So, comparing is the way to find similarities and contrasting is the way to find the difference. Next is the example of comparing and contrasting paragraph. The topic sentence of this paragraph is, when I was in second grade of junior high school, I was transferred to Payakumbuh, West Sumatra. The controlling idea is Payakumbuh, West Sumatra. The first supporting sentence is, first of all, Payakumbuh is colder than in Bintan. First supporting detail is, even though Bintan is still in Sumatra, but the difference in temperature and weather is very clear. The second supporting detail is, when I was in Payakumbuh, I always shower in the morning with warm water because I could not stand the cold water there. The second supporting sentence is, secondly, in Payakumbuh, there are speak Minang. The first supporting detail is, even at school the teachers teach in Minang, but when in a class containing me, the teachers use Indonesian, which is easier for me to understand. The last supporting sentence is, finally, during Eid al-Fitri, the difference between Payakumbuh and Bintan is felt very clear. First supporting detail is, Eid al-Fitri in Bintan is celebrated more merrily than in Payakumbuh and also more crowded than in Payakumbuh. The last one is concluding sentence. The concluding sentence of this paragraph is, in conclusion, when I am in Payakumbuh, I didn't feel the way I felt in Bintan. The last one is giving opinion paragraph. Opinion is your feelings or thoughts about something rather than a fact. Giving an opinion is an expression about your opinion about agree or disagree. When you write, it is often necessary to state your opinion about something you believe to be true. We have to say our opinion of something is for this reason, that is necessary express our idea properly. Now is the example of giving opinion paragraph. The topic sentence of this paragraph is, in my opinion, mental health of teenagers is very important. The controlling idea is mental health of teenagers. First supporting sentence is, for example, the average teenagers are looking to become themselves. The first supporting detail is, in this case, teenagers will go through many things. The second supporting detail is, in teenagers, humans will also go through various kinds of changes in their lives. And the last supporting detail is, from appearance to emotions. The second supporting sentence is, moreover, if not mentally healthy, teenagers will be very difficult to pass this time. And finally, the concluding sentence is, so teenagers must mentally health, so that when they go through teenagers, what they do is positive things. Alright, that was the end of my explanation. Thank you so much for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.